Welcome to the Banner PowerLift installation video. This video will cover the installation of the lift unit, as well as attaching and raising the first banner. Everything you see in this video is happening in real time to show you how fast and easy the process really is. The installation is very simple, with only 2 cables. We provide you with laser guides to show you precisely where to attach the cables to the ceiling. Once you have determined the location, you can take each cable up for installation. You can see that we are using a ladder in this example, but you can also use a scissor lift for additional speed and safety. At this location, the simplest way to attach the cable is by wrapping it around the ceiling joist. There's no drilling and no damage to any of the existing structure. We have solutions for just about any type of ceiling, some of which may require a slightly more involved cable installation. However, the great thing about this system is that once you have completed this step, you will never have to go back up on a ladder. When you want to change the banner power lift will come down to you. As the process continues on the other side, you may notice one key thing that is not part of the installation, and that is an electrical connection. The power is provided by a 12-volt battery system housed in the kiosk that you see in the foreground. No electrician is needed to install this system, which will save you time and money. This is one of the main features that makes the Banner PowerLift something that you can truly install on your own. Of course, we also have a team of experts that can install 1 or more Banner PowerLifts at your location. You'll have peace of mind knowing that the lift is installed properly, and you can enjoy a future of easy banner changeouts. Once the second cable is attached, the ceiling installation is complete. The rest of the installation takes place from the ground, so you can remove the ladder. At this point, you can roll the kiosk closer to the Banner PowerLift and connect the power cord. You can then begin raising the lift to a comfortable level for banner installation. The cord that comes out of the Banner PowerLift unit is retractable, and you will see at the end of the video it will go back into the unit hidden from sight. Now that the Banner PowerLift is raised to where you want it, you can begin installing the banner. We simplified the banner attachment process down to knobs and compression fittings. As the knob turns, it compresses the banner into the lift and creates a secure connection. This 16-foot wide system includes 9 compression knobs on the front. Each unit can be used single-sided or double-sided, so you will also find 9 compression knobs on the back as well. The best way to install the banner is to attach one side, then attach the other side, then work your way across, attaching the banner to each compression fitting as you go. As the banner attachment completes, we can talk a little about safety. We know safety is important to you, especially for any display that goes overhead. For this reason, we intentionally overbuilt the Banner PowerLift. Each cable and motor combination is operated independently, and each one is rated at 2,000 pounds. This gives the entire system a 4,000 pound capacity. The 16-foot wide lift in this example weighs only 65 pounds on its own. Even with banners attached on both sides, it still weighs in at under 100 pounds. This means the Banner PowerLift is 40 times stronger than required. For even more peace of mind, each system also includes a self-retracting safety line to keep you safe, keep your employees safe, and keep your customers safe. Once the banner is attached, you can begin raising it with the kiosk controller. There are up and down buttons for each side of the lift. To raise the unit up, simply press the up buttons. You can modulate the buttons on each side as needed to level the banner. The independent operation of each side is a very important aspect of the Banner PowerLift. It makes the initial installation of the cables to the ceiling easier because there is no need for exact cable measurement. You can simply control each side as you raise the unit to level it. You can adjust by fractions of an inch to make sure your banner is perfectly level. While the banner raises, we can discuss the logistics of this system. The banner power lift unit has a modular design, so it can be broken down for shipping or transported in a mid-sized truck or van. It can then be easily assembled on location prior to installation. Once you have the banner raised, you can disconnect the cord and retract it back into the system. Your banner power lift installation is complete, and your banner is displayed beautifully.